Thank you for watching Montessori Lesson Channel. In today's video, I will be talking about practical life activities that does not require any Montessori materials. The activity that I will introduce is teaching the child how to get dressed on their own using the dressing frames. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child about wearing clothing on their own, self-control, and the coordination of the movements. The control of error would be the child being able to see the fasteners not match if it's not done properly. Instructions on how to use the dressing frames are showing one dress frame at a time to a child in a fastened state. Unfasten both parts of the dressing frames, then slowly refasten both parts at the same way. When both parts are fastened, let the child count the buttons, touch the fabric, and tell them the names of each type of fasteners and what they are used for. The materials needed to make the dressing frames are 8 photo frames that are 10-inch square, clothing that your child has outgrown for each frame with 1 jacket type zipper, 4 large buttons, 4 snaps, 4 hooks, shoelace, 4 buckles, 4 safety pins, 4 same color ribbons about 12-inch long, and 4-way ribbon that are 12-inch long. This concludes my video for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.